Hello everyone and welcome back to MATLAB tutorials. In today's video, you will learn that how to create a mesh and contour plot. So this powerful 3D visualization techniques combines a mesh surface with a contour map projected beneath it. This is very great for understanding that how a surface behave both in 3D and in 2D cross sections. So we will use a real mathematical function that stimulates wave attenuations to demonstrate the process and explain each line of the code for absolute beginners. So let's get started. So we need to open an editor window by clicking on new script. So we need to start our code with CLC, clear all and close all. After that, we need to define X and Y ranges using linspace command. So we are going to define X and Y ranges using linspace. So X is equals to linspace, and inside we are choosing -3 to 3 range, and Y is equals to linspace. Again, same we are choosing -3 to 3. After that, we need to create a grid of X and Y values. Create a grid for X and Y values, and we have to take X comma Y that is equals to mesh grid, and inside we have X and Y values. After that, we need to compute Z values based on a mathematical function. Compute Z values based on a mathematical function. So we are choosing Z is equals to 1.8 dot hedge -1.5 static square root. So sqrt x square plus y square. Then we have dot static cos 0.5 static y. Then we have dot static sine of x. After that, we need to create a mesh and a contour plot using a built-in function. Create mesh and contour plot. So we are using a built-in function mesh c, and inside we have x, y, and z. After that, we are going to define the labels and the title. So x label, we have x, y label, we have y, z label, we have z, and the title is title is 3D mesh and contour plot. Okay, let's run it. We need to fix the error. This should be small. Okay, so this is the mesh plot, and beneath we have a contour plot. So the mesh plot shows you the 3D structure, while the contours help you understand how the height or depth changes across the surface. So that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy to follow MATLAB tutorials. Have any suggestions or questions, drop in the comment. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.